I was able to cut these logs off of that fallen tree over there, haul them over here. Huh. Excuse me, I'm out of breath. These were heavy. I shouldn't be moving them, but I am. I'm gonna use this as a bench. So when I get my logs cut out, I'm gonna lay them over there. So I have to shape it a little bit. This is about 3 feet high. I'm gonna use these as a work, so I'm not having to work on the ground and hurt my back more and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna lay a log across these. I'm gonna shape them for the bridge that I'm gonna be making. I've got some of it already done. I'm gonna have to show you in a second, but let's kind of explain what I'm doing here, okay? Hope you guys enjoy.